Every single day, millions of people wear perfume. But have you ever wondered how the world's most famous fragrances are actually made? From rare natural ingredients.
A single drop can leave a memory that lasts forever. Every morning across the United States, millions of people wear perfume before they leave home. Dangerous. Deep inside the United States, one of the world's most advanced perfume factories begins its work before sunrise. Tolls. Behind every premium perfume lies a carefully guarded formula. An expert African-American male fragrance specialist.
Before a single drop is blended, every ingredient is carefully inspected in the laboratory. Advanced testing ensures
Inside the fragrance laboratory, master perfumers carefully measure each ingredient with incredible precision. Even a single The freshly blended fragrance is stored in temperature-controlled tanks, where it slowly matures over time. This process allows filtration.
Once fully mature, the fragrance passes through ultra-fine filtration systems that remove even the tiniest impurities, leaving the
perfumes. At the same time, crystal-clear glass bottles are produced with remarkable precision. Each bottle is carefully shaped, polished.
The finished fragrance now reaches the automated filling line, where precision machines dispense the exact amount into every bottle.